Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix Nest Mini slow and non-responsive after Gemini update restore performance. Fix 1. Restart your Nest Mini and Wi-Fi router. Unplug your Nest Mini from power, then unplug your Wi-Fi router or primary mesh node. Now wait for at least 60 seconds, then plug the router back in and wait until the internet is fully restored. Now plug the Nest Mini back in and allow it to finish starting up before testing voice commands. Fix 2. Check your Wi-Fi signal. Place the Nest Mini within 15 to 20 feet 4 to 6 meters of your router if possible. And keep it away from TVs, microwaves, cordless phones, and other sources of wireless interference. Then run a speed test on your phone while standing next to the speaker to verify you have a stable connection. Fix 3. Update the Google Home app. Open the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and update the Google Home app to the latest version. Now restart your phone after updating and open the app again and verify that your Nest Mini appears online. Fix 4. Reduce voice processing loads. Open the Google Home app, then go to Home Settings, then go to Gemini for Home Voice Assistant. And keep only the languages you actually use. Retrain voice match if voice recognition has become unreliable. Adjust Hey Google sensitivity if the speaker often misses commands. 5. Confirm your device is updated. Open the Google Home app and select your Nest Mini. Now open Settings, then go to Device Information. Now check the cast firmware version, and if an update is pending, leave the speaker powered on and connect it to Wi-Fi until it completes. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.